We got a break in the rain, if you see.
Hey.
There is the sun. Oh my God! Ah!
Hey, people. How are
Yeah.
you?
I had to get my sunglasses out. But I ain't wearing them.
Put comments down below. See how, I want to know how you are today. I'm bored.
Thank you, child.
You're welcome.
Doing all the talking here. I know that's the fog on the mountain. It's so pretty. I could kind of get it. But I didn't get the stupid button wouldn't push on this stupid phone. It's not a smartphone. It's a stupid phone. It is. It's stupid. It. See, there's the fog.
There it is. Ain't it lovely, guys?
We'll see it better in a minute. There, see. Sorry for the raindrops on my windshield. Oh, trees. Oh, check that out over there. Look at that. That looks so cool. The way that's going up there, look.
Oh my God.
That's so cool. I hope you can see it.
It's on the road.
I am.
Whoa, I feel bad.
There's somebody walking.
I feel bad for him.
Yep.
Pick him up.
No,
Hey, be nice.
I can't. I'm going the opposite direction. So,
That's weird.
anyway. Look, there's a church. Woohoo! Let's go to church.
Bullshit.
Thank you. I agree. Bullshit. Uh-huh.
Bullshit.
That's it. They're everywhere here, ain't they?
Too many to count.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Bullshit.
Yes. Are something wrong with you? Are you okay?
I was trying to cough.
Uh-huh.
You know how some people do that?
Yes. And it's free. And that's it. Yeah.
Cough, fake cough.
Yes, I know.
You know, like with that.
She's fine.
That's annoying. Oh!
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Don't sound like it.
I'm perfectly fine. What are you talking about?
Shit.
Next minute, I go crazy.
Okay. Anyway.
I'll scream.
Look at them clouds. It looks so cool.
Oh, we're expecting snow.
I know, yeah, that's what I was going to say. We're expecting snow again and cold.
No, that can't happen.
Ah!
That can't happen.
Fuck you, snow.
That can't happen. Please don't snow if you
yeah.
pray hard enough.
It's been gray here for what, 3 days?
More than 3 days.
More than 3 days. But I ain't complaining. I just don't want it to fucking snow again.
If you pray hard enough, it won't snow.
Yeah, right. You're funny.
I don't need.
If you pay the government enough,
Yeah.
you know, they'll stop it from snowing.
They need to stop that.
I know, really.
It's effective.
But it's not that. It's the solar minimum and shit.
Yeah.
And they're trying to control that with the weather with that shit. and
Look at
stuff.
my hair.
Anyway. Yes, I see your hair. It's very long. It's longer than mine. And she
Really?
wanted to cut it.
It's longer than yours.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. Why do you think I was like a ghast when you wanted to cut it? I'm like, no. It's so pretty.
It is, ain't it? I want to die blonde.
No, you're not.
Why not?
It's pretty the way it is.
I might die like the middle, going straight down. This is what I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna go like this, Mama. Have blonde like girls do.
No. Look at that. That's
That's
so
my
cool.
plan. They should pave this whole road.
They just patch it.
That's stupid.
I know.
It's stupid. It gets bumpy. See right there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Stupid.
It sucks.
Oh,
Instead, they like, you know, would rather go to war with other countries and shit. Anyway, and kill people.
that tastes good.
Yeah, thank you for drinking it all.
I didn't drink all of it.
We're pretty much. There's like a few sumps left.
Oh,
Look at them clouds. Check that out. That's so fucking cool.
Emily, look at the clouds.
She don't care.
Now.
She's playing the game. It's so pretty.
I want to touch them. They probably feel like cotton.
It's like water vapor.
I don't care.
I don't know if you could even. Well, yeah, you probably could touch them, but
If you fall through them,
they'd like dissolve when you
if you
touch
fall through them, you probably could.
them. Child.
You look like Goku
Okay.
did when he was on Snake Way. He was eating those puffy yellow
yeah,
clouds.
right.
He ate them too. He was so
Yeah.
hungry.
Okay.
He was a pig. He
Weird.
was insane.
Eating clouds. Okay.
They probably did.
It's like water, honey. He was just drinking water. More or
They
less.
did look like water.
It's a cartoon. What do you expect? Anyways, we're gonna go. So see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye. Bye.
Anyway, see ya. Say love you.
Love you.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Say it.
Okay. Look at that. Check it out.
I would if you
Look,
paid me
look,
money
look.
for it.
No.
I wasn't
No,
very
no,
smart.
no, no. Please stop talking nonsense.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
It's smart.
No, that's
You
not
earn
smart.
money.
No.
Oh my god.
Check it out. Ah, shit, I missed it.
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Why didn't you tell me I wouldn't have said that?
That's okay. Strange. Aren't you?
Yeah.
Look at that. That's so pretty.
Yeah.
Well, oh no. Look
Yeah.
at that. Look at the way the fog coming over your mountain there. Or up it, down it, whatever it's doing.
Ah,
It's so cool.
I'm
And I'm
going-
glad I stopped that other one when I did because it was a state trooper. He came right after I cut it off. I'm like, whoo,
Thank
thank
God.
God. Yeah. He pulled my ass over.
I can't do that.
I wasn't speeding. But
We have to have a permit
Look
for
at
that.
that. That's so cool.
Which way are we gonna go?
Going straight.
No, I'm going that way.
No, we're not.
No.
No,
Why?
no.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
Maybe another
I'm
time?
going this way. Maybe another time. That's so pretty.
Just because there's clouds here, you're going straight. Is that why?
No, because I want to.
I know you.
Anyway, there we go. In with that view there. That's so pretty.
No, you
Bye bye. See y'all later.
Bye bye.
Again. Nah.